Okay, real quick update on the app. I believe it's on its way to showing up in the Play Store. I don't know when that's going to happen, but just to show you where it's at right now. So I've got my Naked Hero 6, I've got a fully cased Hero 6, and I happen to have a GoPro Hero 7. I don't have an 8. So they're all on, and the app symbol looks like a Hero 6 motherboard, so that's kind of cool. So you start that up. I've got all three. I've already scanned, but I got all three showing up. So I'm gonna select all three. Now check this out, and then I will pick one of these. This one. Now, so even though only the one shows up, watch what happens. I record. All three start recording. Pretty cool. This one's dark because I've got an ND filter on it. And then I'm going to hit stop. And then I can select one of my presets and it'll apply that preset. The screen shut off. But you can see they all switch to 4K. I don't know if you can see the display, but it did switch to 4K 30. And then if I switch to 2.7, they all switch. And then if I hit the beeper, they sit there and beep, which I really could have used about a week ago when I lost one of my GoPros. And I did find it. It took a while. Now, obviously, the Naked one won't beep because the beeper is in the case, and it doesn't have a case. So that's pretty cool. You can go back and just choose one of them. So if I just want to go into one of these, which one is my... I think this is the one that's... So, yeah, there you go. That's my 7. So you can just choose one, and yeah, you can operate one of them, or you can operate all of them. Now, if you're in your preset and you want to slightly change something, you can pull that up, and that'll bring in all your values. Basically, everything you can think of to change without using the preview, because the preview is what slows it down. So that's kind of cool. You can see it's got everything: resolution, field of view, low light stabilization, EV comp, white balance, etc., etc., etc. So that's kind of neat, and it's cool that you can operate all of them at once if you're doing like a multiple camera shoot, or you got a couple things flying or whatever. You want to put one on the ground. The range is pretty decent. I've been actually playing with this upstairs. I'm in the basement now, and I've been turning on these GoPros and turning them off from upstairs. So it's just a real quick update on where it is. I think if you look at the let me show you the screen again. If you look at the actual app, you know, it functions very nice, right? It's very fast, responsive. The GUI is fairly straightforward, functional. You know, it's not flashy, but it works. Everything's simple. It's intuitive, and it's easy to use. So I'm really enjoying it. I think it'll be really useful for the Naked stuff. Because it seems to be pretty reliable. So, alright, quick update. Thanks.